What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the WMVCore.DLL is missing from your computer. So let's get right into this. So there's two ways to fix this. One is you're most likely either missing the media feature pack, which is you can go to this link and then just download it for your whatever applicable Windows device, or you could just straight up download the DLL itself and paste it into the right spot. So let's say you just want to go down the second route, which is because the first one is just you download and install it. The second one, let's say if you tried that and it didn't work, is you want to open up this DLL download page. You want to download the 64 and the 32-bit version because it's dependent on your architecture. Once you download it, you want to open up this PC, go to local disk C. In here, find the Windows folder. So right here, in here, find the folder called System32 and SysWow64. Open up, basically, if you have both of them, open up both of them. And the 32-bit file that you downloaded, copy and paste it in here. And vice versa, for the 64-bit, you copy it in the SysWow64 folder. Once you do that, restart your computer. You should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up. Go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell on that. Motorola's out. Peace.